In today's landscape of electric vehicles, Tesla continues to push the boundaries of innovation and ambition. Their latest jaw-dropping goal is to manufacture an astounding 20 million electric vehicles annually by the year 2030. To put this into perspective, this audacious target surpasses the entire annual vehicle production of the United States, effectively doubling it. Even more astonishing is that this objective represents a 571-fold increase from Tesla's production figures since the year it started producing vehicles. What sets Tesla apart in this bold task is not just the goal itself, but the unique approach they're taking to achieve it. Unlike their industry competitors, Tesla prioritizes continental strategies over country-specific production facilities. For Tesla, their Gigafactories serve as the linchpins for its grand plan that will see the production of 20 million units per year by 2030. So keep watching to see how these Gigafactories will help Tesla attain these massive production targets. As of 2023, Tesla currently operates 5 Gigafactories globally and plans a 6th. However, Tesla's vision extends even further, with Elon Musk expressing his intent to establish 10 to 12 Gigafactories. This expansion forms the foundation of their audacious goal. To understand the feasibility of producing 20 million vehicles annually, it's essential to delve into the numbers that underpin Tesla's remarkable growth story. Each aspect of Tesla's Gigafactories is distinct and is the core of the company's production ability. Tesla's Gigafactory, situated in Shanghai, is a manufacturing facility dealing with Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. The Shanghai Gigafactory has the capacity to produce and ship more than 750,000 automobiles annually, which is more than half of Tesla's total car production. Berlin's Gigafactory, one of Tesla's most efficient facilities, made headlines when it achieved a remarkable weekly production rate of 5,000 cars in March this year. If this trajectory continues and production rates increases, it could translate to an astonishing 500,000 cars annually. Notably, the Berlin Gigafactory also houses extensive cell production facilities comparable to those at the Texas Gigafactory. The concept of the Gigafactory initially centered on Tesla's battery cell production plants. However, as Tesla expanded its operations, the term now encompasses all aspects of production. If the current growth trajectory continues, by 2030, Gigafactories could potentially boast production capabilities of 1 to 2 million cars annually. These future Gigafactories could transform into sprawling production towns with vast areas and an extensive workforce that could help support local economies. Each Tesla Gigafactory stands out for its size and manufacturing capacity. Even the smallest, Giga New York, spans 88 acres, boasting an expansive workspace covering 1.2 million square feet. To provide some context, this is over 20 times the size of a football field. Giga Texas, the latest among Tesla's Gigafactories, is a genuine giant. It covers 10 million square feet and ranks as one of the largest buildings in the world. Although the exact number of cars it will make at full production capacity remains secret, Tesla has mentioned that Giga Texas would be crucial in ensuring that the company produces more than 2 million cars next year. Elon Musk's audacious vision of producing 20 million electric vehicles annually by 2030 isn't just an arbitrary number. It's rooted in logic. The world currently has about 2 billion cars in circulation, which are almost entirely internal combustion engine vehicles. The basis of Musk's idea lies in replacing about 1% of these gas guzzlers with electric vehicles yearly, allowing the world to transition into using electric vehicles as a means of transportation instead. While Tesla's growth and vision are undeniably impressive, the future promises more substantial changes. Tesla's entry into the commercial vehicle sector, particularly with the highly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck, is expected to revolutionize the trucking industry as well. The path towards making 20 million EVs annually won't be easy. Presently, the Model 3 and Model Y cars make up over 95% of Tesla's sales today. Tesla's vision of reaching the 20 million EV production goal will only be achieved by broadening its customer base, expanding into various markets, and diversifying the product line. Tesla's roadmap includes exciting new products. The much-anticipated Cybertruck, a robust electric pickup truck, is set to commence production before the end of 2023 at the Austin Gigafactory. Additionally, the heavy-duty semi-truck has already entered pilot production in Nevada. Besides demand-side challenges, there could be supply-side constraints as well. Shortage of critical components, such as material to make batteries or other car parts, could affect annual production rates. It is important that Tesla secures a robust supply chain so that production will not be affected. We hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If this speaks to you, please take the time to like it and click subscribe on our channel.